welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just going to be showing you guys how I apply Chebe powder and Karkar oil on my hair. I want to try it out and I'm taking you guys along with me so you guys will see how I do this. Stay tuned. So I've got my Chebe powder in here. The Karkar oil is equally small too. This is what it looks like. So this is Chebe powder and the Karkar oil. So I'm just going to make a mixture using this Chebe powder, the Karkar oil and my Cantu leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to do that and apply it on my hair. I'm going to be taking little amount of this Chebe powder into this bowl. So this is a spoonful. I'm going to be using like 2 spoons because you know my hair is not much and it's not long, at least not so long. So this is the second spoon. It's 3rd spoon. Okay. It has some kind of smell. I can't explain what kind of smell, but the smell is not so good. So guys, this is it. I'm going to apply my leave-in conditioner next into this bowl. So I'm just going to take 2 spoons of my leave-in conditioner, my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to apply that into the bowl. This is my Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to apply 2 spoons. You guys should see. I love the smell of Cantu products. It smells really nice. So this is 1 spoon. So after doing this, I'm going to mix this thoroughly. You guys, I've not made my hair since the last video I made when I was taking out my 3 weeks old cornrows. I've just been lazing around. I can actually make my hair myself. I think after this whole process, I'm going to cornrow my hair myself. I know it's not going to be perfect, but I'm tired of leaving my hair like this. Like, look, it's looking so short now compared to my last video when I was combing my hair out. So today is Tuesday. I made that video on Friday last week and today's Tuesday, so I've had my hair out for some days, and that's so unlike me because I don't leave my hair out for any reason. I don't. And I've not washed my hair. I've not washed my hair since that day. After applying this on my hair, I'm going to wash my hair. So this is what it looks like. So after this, I'm going to add the Karkar oil. I'm going to add this into it. I'm just going to pour a little amount of this. So I don't want the oil to pour. But I've added it. I don't know if you can see it. I've added it and I'm just going to mix it. I don't know what this smells like though, but the Cantu leave-in conditioner gave it a better smell. It's not smelling that bad like before. So guys, I think I'm satisfied with what I'm seeing. It looks good. So this is it. It's thick, it's not watery. I'm going to be applying this on my hair, but because my hair has been out for days and it's dry, so I'm not going to wet my hair a little bit before applying this. I can't comb my hair because it's going to be really painful, so I'm not going to comb my hair. I'm just going to wet my hair so it will be a little soft, and after that I'll apply the Chebe. So guys, I'm done wetting my hair. Look at it. It's dripping here. So my hair is wet now. You can see. I'm going to be applying my Chebe powder in the bowl. going to be applying it to my hair. I can't section my hair because my hair is really short, so I'm just going to do this all over the place. So just a little amount of this, and I'm going to just go right in. I'm so particular about my front hair. This feels grainy. It feels sandy. Okay, it feels sandy. Guys, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please do, and don't forget to like this video and share to your friends. Probably someone you know is on natural hair, they will try using Chebe powder to increase their hair growth, because they said it makes hair long. Oops guys, I forgot, but I've done a length check, but you already saw what my hair looks like now, combed out. And you know natural hair, it shrinks after washing, so I don't think you can notice the difference in your hair instantly. I think you have to use it over a period of time to notice the hair growth you get. So I'm almost done with this. See guys. So I've scraped out everything I had in my bowl. So I just want to massage my hair well and make sure this gets into every part of my hair. I think I'm good. I think I have this Chebe powder all over my hair, so I think we're good to go, guys. My hair feels soft, by the way. My hair feels really soft. Yeah. So guys, now that I'm done applying this mixture on my hair, I'm going to cover my hair and leave it overnight for it to trap heat and retain moisture and all of that, and for the chili powder to like interact with my hair and do what it knows how to do best. So tomorrow morning I'm going to wash this off. This is around 7. Yeah, this is around 7 in the evening. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, I'm going to wash it off. So right now I'm just going to get a nylon and cover my hair and tie a scarf right back. So guys, I'm back. I have these 2 nylons. I'm going to use them, and then my scarf. extract this whole mixture in my hair. So tomorrow morning when I wake up, before I have my bath or do anything, I'm going to wash this out. It would have stayed for 12 to 13 hours, and then I'll wash it. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that. Yeah guys, we're done for tonight. I have to shower because I feel dirty and it's late. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning! Good morning guys. Good morning. So yeah, I'm up and this is 9 o'clock. Guys, you won't believe what happened to me in the middle of the night. It was itchy. Like itchy. Everywhere was just scratching me, and I just had to keep tapping my head. But I'm happy now that I have to wash this off. Like I can't wait. So let's take this off and see what we have in here. I'm so excited, guys. Guys, it actually traps the moisture. Like, see my hair. See the front of my hair. My hair is really wet, so the nylon, the scarf and all of that helps trap the moisture. I'm just going to wash my hair and I'll come and give my review on the whole process. So guys, I'm going to be using my Cantu shampoo and my Cantu conditioner. So if you watched my first video or my second video, you would have heard me talk about the products I use to wash my hair, do all those stuff. So guys, I just wanted to show you what my hair is looking like. This is not like the final end product, but I'm done washing the Chebe powder off. I just couldn't get over the view of these curls. Like, I finished using my shampoo and I've used my conditioner, so I'm just waiting for a little while before washing my conditioner off, and my curls are defined. Guys, look at it. Just look. I'm so happy with this. So I'm just going to comb my hair out and wash my hair. So you guys, I'm done washing my hair, and yeah, my hair feels really soft. By the way, I've not applied anything to my hair, it's just water from the whole washing. So my hair feels really soft, although I have a soft hair on the number. I'm liking how it's feeling. So I think the mixture helped to soften my hair. And you guys, this Chebe powder, you know, when I was applying it, I said it felt sandy. Gosh, it looked like it was just sand on my hair. I had to wash and wash and wash and rinse off and rinse off and rinse off. Like, everywhere was just messy. Then I applied my shampoo, used my conditioner, and yeah, that was it. So I would say I'm not feeling any Chebe powder. I was able to do justice to washing it off thoroughly. When you use this Chebe powder, you have to like wash your hair out very well. If not, if this Chebe powder gets stuck on your hair, it will cause itching, and it can also result in dandruff, and you wouldn't want to have dandruff on your hair. So you have to calm down. It's not something you do while you are rushing. You have to just pick out a day when you're not doing anything to do this whole process. You have to be consistent with this. You have to do this consistently, maybe twice or 3 times in a month. I don't know, so that you could get results. My honest review about this is, I think it's okay. You know, I said it earlier on that it's something you have to use over time. You can't tell the difference right now. Aside making my hair feel really soft, that's the only obvious thing I can see for now. I can't say if it added to my length or any of all those, because this is my first time trying it out. So I hope I was able to explain this well. I hope I gave out good information. Towards the end of this video, I'm going to drop some benefits of Chebe powder and Karkar oil so you guys could read through it. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the subscribe button, like this video, share to your friends and family. Catch you guys in my next video. Bye.